Okay, today we're going to prove that a quadrilateral is a rectangle using coordinate geometry. One method you could do is prove that all the angles are 90 degrees. And in order to do that, you'd have to find the slope of all four sides and show that all the adjacent sides are perpendicular, i.e. have opposite reciprocal slopes. You could also prove that it's a parallelogram using any method that we talked about before, and then show that the diagonals are congruent, so you'd use the distance formula for that. Or, again, you could show that it's a parallelogram, any method, and then you could just show that there's one right angle. So you'd need two sides next to each other, you'd get their slopes, and they would be opposite reciprocals, making them perpendicular. So first we're going to prove that quadrilateral RBNY is a rectangle. And the way I'm going to do it is I'm going to use slopes, because I just think it's easier to find the slope of all four sides and then write a sentence explaining why it makes 90-degree angles. So if we look at this, we look at side RB, count over, goes over 4 up 2, so 2 over 4, or put a different way, 1 over 2. BN, I'm going to use a different color just so you can see them side by side. BN goes down 2 over 1, so BN is actually a slope of negative 2. And then NY is up 2 over 4, or again, 1 over 2 when you reduce it. And then finally, YR is down 2 over 1, or negative 2. So what's left to do now is just explain what we showed. So I wrote RBNY is a rectangle because all the adjacent sides have opposite reciprocal slopes, and just put 1/2 and negative 2, just, in case you want to reference that again, which means they are perpendicular and form four right angles. So it would be a right angle here, 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 and here.